So before I was a Puddle Ducks teacher, I was a primary school teacher. So I've got a teaching degree and I decided to move away from that and become a swimming teacher instead. My little boy joined Puddle Ducks when he was 5 weeks old, and one of the teachers approached me and asked me if I'd ever thought about being a Puddle Ducks teacher, and it really, really appealed to me. It meant I could work with the children still, and I could also combine it with my love of swimming. The support here at Puddle Ducks is second to none. It's fantastic. From everybody, you know, every person that's involved in the training process, you know, in the background, everything. Everyone is brilliant in their own right. I'd say that it's the best job in the world. I know it sounds cliche, but it really, really is. Working with children is just really, really rewarding. Every day is completely different. You never know what the lesson's going to be like. It's just a great job to have. It's really fun. Who's the boss, me or the duck? Nobody argues with the duck. The boss is the duck.